Splashback. The bane of the restroom user, janitor, and facility manager. That rebounding mellow yellow ends up on the floor, which leads to the spread of disease, stains in the grout, and terrible stenches throughout not just the restroom, but the entire facility. That's why we created the Wave 3D. The Wave 3D, having far superior splash control to its competitors, keeps restrooms cleaner and employees happier. Fresh Products' patented fragrance load gives the Wave 3D the highest fragrance to material proportion of any manufacturer. Not only does the Wave 3D keep things smelling fresh, but also contains beneficial bacteria, which helps keep your fixtures clean. Because Fresh Products supplies the most fragrant options of any manufacturer, you can select the Wave 3D that's right for your restroom. You can even pull the date tabs along the sides to help remind yourself when to change the screen in 30 days. If you're searching for a high-performing, high-value, high-quality product, look no further than the Wave 3D urinal screen. The Wave 3D, keeping your world smelling fresh.